What are we talking about? Sale of goods.
Accounting type.
Sorry?
Types, accounting type.
Yeah, correct. Sale of goods results in revenue, expense, assets, liabilities.
Revenue.
Revenue. Salaries paid.
Salary paid is expense.
Expenses.
Yes. Right. Car purchased.
Asset.
Expense. Asset.
Expense.
Asset.
Asset. What, Lavanya?
Asset.
Asset. Right? You have to involve. Get involved. Yeah? Nabya, you joined again?
Yes, sir.
Right. Loan taken.
Liabilities.
Liability.
Good.
Loan taken is like short term or like long term?
Yeah, very, very nice one. Okay. Right? Even if it is short term or a long term. Both
It's a liability.
liability. Right?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Depreciation.
Expense.
Expense.
Interest paid on loan.
Interest paid on loan is like
Expenses.
expense.
Loan is liability. Interest on the loan is if you have paid
Expense.
expense. If you have not paid also it's an expense. We'll come there. Okay? Done? What's next one? Prepaid rent.
Prepaid rent.
Expense.
Revenue.
Rent. Okay, if I simply say rent, then
It's expense.
rent is expense. Now just say prepaid rent. What is it?
Expense only, sir. Expense only, sir. We are just paying it in advance.
Assets. We are paying off it in liability.
Where's the liability? There's no liability. We already prepaid. If I don't pay, it's a liability. You already paid. Yeah? What, Bhavan? What, Bhavani? What do you think?
Assets.
Okay. What do you say, Lavanya?
Expense.
Expense. If rent is expense, prepaid rent, how can it be expense? Okay. Prepaid rent means here what you should understand, that means 2020 rent is current year rent. If I pay 2021 rent, then it is prepaid.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Rent means current year rent is rent. Okay, next year rent is, if I pay, it is prepaid. So anything benefit is there for the next year, then it's called
Asset.
Asset.
it's an asset. What, Navya? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Right? So what we generally think prepaid means, you may be thinking that in August I paid for September. No, it's not like that. For 2021 I paid in 2020. That is prepaid rent. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Right? So it is an
Offset.
it will benefit in future. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, what is this? Rent.
Rent.
Huh?
Rent outstanding is no outstanding.
Liability, sir.
Liability, no doubt about it. Here also you have to understand the same way. Sir, I did not pay the July rent yet. This is only July. This is now August 5th. July rent I did not pay. I will not say it's a liability. I will pay it in a day or two. I will pay it. Are you getting it? But if last year's or any old rent I have not paid, then it is called
Liability.
Liability.
old year rent. If I 2019 rent if I have not paid, then I should consider it as a liability. Make sense? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, my dear friends, come to something called real. Revenues, expenses, assets, liabilities. This is the real world we live in. Okay? Especially chartered accountants. This is the life of chartered accountants and cost accountants and commerce, MBAs and all. Revenues, expenses, assets, liabilities. Anybody involved with finance, anybody in connection with finance. Getting it, guys?
Okay, sir.
Right. There cannot be any transaction without affecting any of the account types. Here, revenue, expense, assets, liabilities. Okay. Very quickly, start with Bhavani. Building,
Asset.
Assets.
purchases. Nida.
Expense, sir.
Okay. Sales. Navya.
Revenue, sir.
Revenue. Okay. Lavanya. Rent.
Expense.
Lavanya.
Rent.
Different and purchase.
Fixed deposit. Right. Bank fixed deposit. Yeah.
Liability.
Bank fixed deposit. Yes, Lavanya.
Liability.
Bank fixed deposit is liability, is it? Let us assume, Lavanya, you have lot of bank fixed deposits. Those are all your liabilities. Let us know you have some 10 lakh rupees of fixed deposits. What is it? Is it a liability for you?
No, sir.
It's what?
Expense.
It's expense. How is it expense? Bank deposit is an asset. Yes or not?
Yes.
If I have lot of bank deposits, then what do you think? Oh guys, this guy is having lot of liabilities. Will you think like that? Or you think, oh, this guy is very rich, he's having lot of bank deposits. What do you think? Getting it? So it is
Yes. Asset.
an asset. Right? Cash? What about cash?
Asset.
Asset. Cash is an asset. Investments?
Asset.
Asset.
Investments are assets, just like bank deposit. Right? Okay. So I'll give you this list. Okay. You guys, if you have dropped your phone numbers, we'll create a WhatsApp group. I will send it, and you will have to mark these and send the answers. Okay. Meanwhile, you can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this and identify the type of account. Okay. These are type of accounts. So what do you understand here is that the one you are seeing here, are accounts. But the type are only 4 types. What are the 4 types? Revenues, expenses, assets, liabilities. Right, guys?
Yes.
Right? Very good. Okay, let us go through this.